What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be swapping out the spark plugs and the coil packs on the C63. So these are the spark plugs and the coil packs that I decided to go with. I got these from FCP Euro. So if you guys are interested in swapping these items, there will be a link in the description below so you can pick these up. So once you do get the airbox off, you can locate your coil packs. So I'm going to go ahead and start taking out the coil packs. When you are taking these out, you do want to be careful with these little connectors because they do tend to be a little brittle. I actually broke one on my older C-Class, which is not here at the moment. It's at AutoWorks, but so according to the Carfax, these spark plugs were changed at like 38,000 miles, 39,000 miles at Mercedes. So they are the NGK ones. And when you are installing the new spark plugs, you do want to double check the gap. They do come gapped from FCP Euro, but just to double check, it looks good. Alright, so now that I got this left side all buttoned up, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the right side. Now when you are doing the right side, these back two, especially the very far back one, are extremely difficult to get the bottom bolt out. So make sure you just take your time and work slowly so you don't end up dropping the bolt down there. I do have the old spark plugs over here. They are a little bit dirty, but they do not smell like fuel or oil or any of that stuff. So that's a good sign. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the airbox back on, and that will conclude this video. That is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please make sure you do smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video.